the journey begins.
Hi guys! We are now on Amtrak and we're leaving the city of Philadelphia. This is a very new experience for us. We boarded from New York to go to Tampa, Florida as our final destination. This is going to be a 24-hour ride, so we're gonna sleep over, and we got this AMTRAK roomette. As you can see here, also I have my own, on this side I have my own cup, I have my own voltage here, and you know, I need this for my mirror. And at the same time, when you click this one, I have my own sink, so I don't have to share. And also this is where it's private because you can lock the door like this. Yeah, it's locked, so they have to knock on us. And you can also see upstairs, I mean, like on the upper deck, there's a bed for Buddy, and this lower deck actually will turn into a bed for me. So we'll update you when we get to Florida. Okay guys, just a tip, you wipe everything when you start here. That's all. Thank you.
This is also the menu given to us for the whole trip. For our first meal, we wanted to check out the dining area to see the views.
Okay, we're here.
Go sit down.
I'm going to have, what's this? Again, this is the...
spare rib.
No, that's
Pork rib?
chicken. This is chicken.
That's
And
mine.
that's, I know, but this is spare ribs.
Yeah.
Yeah, braised spare ribs, right? Okay, this is gonna be...
Go.
How's the
Lemon.
lemon butter?
Very good.
It's very good, no? It's very good. I know it's very good. Buddy's now sleeping, so I guess, yep. Oh. Oop. Okay. So, wait a minute. Can you see what happened?
Here, why don't you go? Look. Stop.
So,
Stop now.
so that's the bed. Okay. Yeah, so this is about 6 feet, right? Probably more. Okay, it's a bed, guys. It's the bed. Okay. So, just to let you know, it's our first time to take the AMTRAK roomette, and now I have to assemble my bed for sleeping. The thing is, we had a hard time trying to figure this out, so we tried to go on YouTube. If there's anybody who can give us instructions, like a step-by-step guide, but we didn't find any. So here, I'm going to show you how to turn your seats into a sleeper bed. Let's come in. Okay. First, you're gonna see here, it says lift for recline. So let's lift it. Then you're gonna see this, push for bed. Right? So what we have to do is to get out, step out. Okay, step out, because you can only do this from outside your room. You step here, okay, simultaneously. Come on. You're gonna feel something in the back. There's a metal in the back of your here. Okay, there's a metal in the back as you are pushing this down. There's a metal in the back. See this? See this? I have to show you this. This metal? It's metal? Okay, what you need to do is hold on to that and then push that metal down. That's the metal that you have to push down. It's gonna be like a little bit hard. But you can do it. See? So now it's all assembled. You're gonna do the same thing over here. You're gonna put this one. Okay, again, step out. And feel that metal. Feel that metal again. Push this. Push it. And then, here, sorry, you're going to have this bed here. Is this my bed? Is it this one? Yeah. See, this one is my bed. Okay. Is that my bed? What you're gonna do is get one of those beds from above. Okay. This is the other bed. Then, okay. Here. You're gonna go and set this up down here. Okay. Set it up. Set up. Okay, good setting. Then this is your pillow, and you also, sorry, you have blanket. And you're ready to sleep.
So there's also a voltage near just the bed, and these are the lights. Like, you want to turn this on, you want to turn that on, you want to turn this light and this one also, and then you don't have to go out because you also have this trash. So everything is here. Happened here. So now, as you can see,
Ladies and gentlemen.
Alexandria, Virginia. Very nice houses. These are really nice houses. I don't know where I am, but they're nice. Wow. I like these houses. Wow, very nice. Oh, nice. Okay, so here's lunch.
Dinner.
Oh, dinner. Okay. So what do we have for dinner? We ordered enchilada and also, I think we ordered like pasta with meatballs. Let's take a look. Okay, we're just gonna have one of this. And then this. I haven't finished this. Finish it first. And then, so you can see, we have our own trash here. Very convenient. Go back. Okay. I don't really want to eat with this plastic, so yeah, let's remove that. Let's try to open everything that we have here. Because we wanted to have dinner inside the room, we converted my bed back to this one, face-to-face seats together.
Hey guys, this is now our we're now having our dinner
In room.
in the room, in a roomette. Yeah, so as you can see, We have here our food. I have enchilada for dinner. We asked them to serve it, to bring it to our room, and he also has the that's pasta with meatballs, and we have salad here, Coke, and this is the butter. Again, we have the same dessert. It's a brownie and the butter cake. Yeah, it's the same as what we had, the desserts that we had for lunch. So let's have dinner. Let's eat.
How's it, the pasta? Good? Okay.
How is yours?
It's good too.
It's actually good.
It's like beans. I'm sure it's just there.
Wipe after you eat.
So it's nighttime. We're about to sleep. So Buddy's about to, of course, brush his teeth. So he pulls down the sink, as you can see there. Okay. Well, all the toothpaste, you have to bring that on your own. They don't provide those. You have to bring your own toothbrush, and you'll have to bring your own toothpaste. All right, go. Okay. So yeah, that's it. It's comfortable, right? Okay. So it's nighttime. We're about to sleep. So Buddy's about to, of course, brush his teeth. So he pulls down the sink, as you can see there. Okay. Well, all the toothpaste, you have to bring that on your own. They don't provide those. You have to bring your own toothbrush, and you'll have to bring your own toothpaste. All right, go. Okay. So yeah, that's it. It's comfortable, right? Okay. Good morning. We're now in Jacksonville, so we're now about to head to the dining area to have breakfast. I had a really good sleep though. Buddy is going to have bacon and what's that? Waffle?
Yeah. No.
French toast. And then this is sausage and omelette. 3 omelette. This.
Hi guys, our flight got delayed, which is okay because that means we have one additional lunch. So we're going back now to the dining area and have our lunch. Okay, we'll see you there.
This is our first.
You want me to get you together?
It's okay. It's okay. Thank
Are
you.
you good? Okay.
This is our first AMTRAK overnight experience.
Great. Where are you going? Miami?
We're going to Tampa.
Where?
Tampa?
Tampa?
Yeah.
Salmon.
If I have a weird stomach. 6 meals that were. Is it 6? How many were available?
Yeah, I think 6 meals that we
Yeah,
had
out of
here.
the 6 meals that were available, this chicken marsala was the best on the overnight train. So we've had the salmon, which Connie is having now. We had the meatballs. We had the ribs.
Braised rib.
The braised
Yeah,
ribs.
ribs.
Then we had what's the other one? The enchilada.
Enchilada, yeah.
Yeah. So this is
Enchilada's good, and
Okay.
yeah, it's not bad. We're now in Tampa, Florida. Thanks again for watching our. We'll see you again, and please like and subscribe. Thanks. See you again. Bye.